Allie, Allie, there's one over here.
Pretty good. There's more. Megan, Allie, Megan. Okay, Megan, come get this one. Look. Do you love this crowd? They're behind you too. Look, go over there. Look over there.
Well, Leilani, you get good at this, girlie. Both of ya.
Look around the tree. Oh, Leilani found that one. Let's go back that way. Keep walking. Look.
Miss Laura knows where she put them all. Hey, Leilani, what have you got?
Look.
Yep.
There's one more. See it right here?
What have you got?
Who's gonna get it? Me. Goodness, Megan's figured it out. Oh my goodness, they're figuring it out. Oh, nuts. Oh, that face. What do you think you're doing, Ellie? I hope you got the paper off. Oh, yeah? No. Do it again. Do it again, Allie.
Can you get your open, Leilani?
Is that delicious? What are you doing, Allie?
It's a chocolate. You want help?
Yes.
Okay. Mommy help you with it. Here we go.
Well, this will be perfect, so now they're not going to be cranky.
Yeah. Here you go.
They'll be sugared.